Hello class, it's Mr. Woods. I'm going to take a few moments to show you how to add a picture to a discussion board. Okay, so let's say we are going to select our Avid tile. Click on the student view for you. Okay, under discussions, I'm going to click on the discussion. I'm going to hit reply. I'm going to add my paragraph. After I've added my paragraph of my occupation, which will be a teacher, I'm going to I need to make sure that I have my image saved in my folder. Alright, so I want to go to Google and I want to type in teacher. And once I type in teacher, I'm going to click on images. Okay, and I'm just going to find a random picture of a teacher. Okay, once I get to that random picture that I decide to choose or decide to use, on your mouse pad you want to make sure that you right click it. This is the window you should get. If you left click it, it will pop up big. You want to right click the picture and then you want to hit save image as. Alright, you can name the picture anything you want. And then hit save. Okay, notice it saves here. I'm just going to hit escape because I don't want it to be in my way. I'm going to go back to my discussion board because now I'm ready to add my picture, so I want to insert. Okay, I'm going to insert an image because the image is a picture. I want to upload that image. Always click on the spaceship, and as soon as that does, my dialog box opens up and I can select that image. Press it once, click open. Notice my picture appears. It has not posted yet to my discussion because I need to scroll down here and hit submit. Once I hit submit, my picture will post right into my discussion. Okay, notice that my picture is very large. Alright, in an effort to save space, all I have to do is click on the picture and notice this blue line appears around the picture. That is like a toggle bar. I can push that in to make my picture smaller, wider, or longer. Okay, this is how you resize your picture. Alright, so I want everybody to make sure they resize their picture just to get it, just a regular size so we can understand what the occupation is. Once I've done that, then I press reply and my post automatically goes onto the discussion board. Notice that I can't see any other student replies because they have not yet replied. Once all the other students reply, I'll be able to see what they posted. Alrighty, I hope this video was helpful for you.